Hi and welcome. My name is Erica and I am the person behind the Lopsided Crafter brand. You can find me on all the socials as the Lopsided Crafter. So today is an unboxing of month September Sock Yarn Society subscription box. I've been subscribing for a very long time, and I decided that I was just going to start doing videos about it. So this came in the mail today. I have tore it open, but I have not looked inside. So we are going to look together. So before I start, a little bit about this subscription box. This is owned by Lori of the Arkansas Yarn Company. She owns the yarn store and she also has this subscription box. It is called Sock Yarn Society because right now it's only fingering weight yarn. You can get 75-25. You can get Yummy Plush, which I believe it's either 80-20 or 85-15. You can get a high twist, or you can get a sparkle. You can get one skein or two skeins. All that information will be in the link below. Right now, I'm not sure if they're taking any new subscribers. I know that they were for the month of August. But if you are interested in jumping onto this subscription box, if they are not open to new subscribers, there will be a box that you can click that says notify me. And she usually opens it up a couple times, 2, 3, sometimes 4 times a year. It just depends, on what their level is. Ooh, I see gray. Pretty. Okay, so let me pull the card out first before I completely look at the yarn. Okay, so this month, I can't show you the card. Oh, I can show you this card. I still don't want to look. Okay, so every month comes with a card, and it tells you what is inside the subscription box for that month and the theme. So this month's theme is Spill the Royal Tea. The extras is a heart tea diffuser spoon, common room coffee cozy pattern by Dragon Horde Yarn, which that's what I was saying I couldn't show you earlier, but I will cover that up. So it comes with that pattern. Ooh, it's got the candy. I don't know how to pronounce it, which you would think I would, living in Europe for the time that I did. Dahlman's Stroopwafel. It's the little waffle. Well, you'll see it in a minute. Plum Deluxe Apple Custard Loose Tea Leaf. Ooh. Plum Deluxe Arkansas Yarn Company's Rustic Apricot Rose Loose Leaf Tea, which I have not tried my teas yet. I need to do that. A Teapot Lever Back Progress Keeper. Oh. A Resin Arkansas Lever Back Progress Keeper. And it's on the back, it says, if you loved your tea, we now carry Plum Deluxe at Arkansas Yarn Co. It says, we love seeing you in your boxes. Snap a pic and tag us. Thank you for supporting our small business. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, so I love this. These are so good. So the idea behind it is that you set this little caramel wafer on top of your hot cup of tea, and it's really soft. They're already soft. Of course, it could be that it just got in the mail here and it's like 1,000 degrees outside. But these are supposed to warm up on top of your tea. And sometimes that caramel drips down. Oh, yum, yum. A tea bag. This is the Arkansas Yarn Co. brand. And this is the custard apple herbal. And it is so funny because if you watched my video last month, I said, I need to get one of those little tea diffuser thingies. And looky here. A tea diffuser thingy. Shaped like a heart. I love this. That's one of the things that I love about this subscription box, is that these extras are stuff that you would use around, around the house. Sometimes it's good to get crafty related extras, but sometimes it's good to get extras. And so you open it up, you put your little tea bag, your little loose leaf tea in there, and then you just stick this down in your cup, and that's what seeps it. Now I have no excuse to try my tea, other than it's 1,000 degrees outside. And a little spoon to stir. Here's our progress keepers for the month. We have the little teapot and the Arkansas Yarn Company one. I need to get something to collect these on. I don't like one of those little, like the little hooks that they use for hiking. Carbine hook, is that what it's called? I need to get one of them. Sorry guys. I am just extremely thirsty today because like I said, it's 1,000 degrees outside. This is gorgeous. This is called Spill the Royal Tea, so you see the theme. And I get the high twist, which is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon, 399 yards, 100 grams. So, isn't that gorgeous? Before I get into any more explanation, it's got the green and there's a little bit of purple in there. Gorgeous. So, the 10th of every month is when the subscription processes. So, if you want to make any changes, then you need to do it before the 10th of the month. And what I mean by that is you decide you want to try the sparkle next month, or maybe you want to try getting 2 skeins instead of 1. You have until the 10th of the month to do that. But you can go in there and change, your base, if you want 2 skeins, 1 skein, all that good stuff. I pay right at I think it's $42 a month, and that is with the shipping, okay? So, I mean, it's inevitable you're gonna pay shipping. So, I think the shipping is $7. So, you're really getting all of this for $35 in the grand scheme of things, which is fantastic. I have started a Afghan, and I don't want to share it yet because I started it holding double, and then I was like, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna do it single, and so I started it again single, but I really don't know if I like it single. It would definitely get done quicker if I was holding it double, because double fingering weight. Okay, a fingering weight strand held together, meaning you're holding 2 of these, equals a DK. So I'm going back and forth. It is going to be a scrappy type blanket, and I was going to use only Arkansas Yarn Co. yarn in it, but I'm being a little selfish. And that's only because the yarn is so beautiful that I don't want to put it all into a blanket. And in order to get the pattern done and written, I'm going to have to take yarn from other stash areas. Which is not to say that I can't make a second one with just yarn from the Sock Yarn Society and Lori of Arkansas Yarn Company. But yeah, so that is the unboxing for September. Please don't hesitate to reach out and ask any questions about the subscription box. And if you sign up, put in a little note, tell them Erica sent you. Erica, the Lopsided Crafter. Okay, guys, until next time, happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.